Hello, my name is Bernardas and I am from Lithuania, and this is my converted van. I started living in this van from last year, somewhere from the June. It was me, my dog and my girlfriend, because last year she was living with me. It was really nice, I like it and I like still. And this year I living already 3 months. When I got it first time, the van, I thought it's the luxury van, which one I could get it. I went to the local beach where I was working in the past, and it was really strange because the bed was really not this one comfortable. So I think I need to do something, and I did it. I started to build it, and then everything was taken out, all the plastics, all the seats, everything. And then the project again continued. Then I couldn't stop, so I put it all, the wires inside, the furniture, then the fridge, everything. Let's come inside and have a look what I have done. I have installed this one multimedia. It's only for the girls in one of the cars, but this one have two. I could, pay my lips as well. It's showing the water, how much I have, the battery, heating seats, which one is really rare. When you're sitting, you have more space in the van. Now we're gonna go for the storage, which one I have here. It's just my stuff. Then on this side I have some extras. Those, and this one is helper number one. It's also extra. Okay, I have on the top 100 watts panel, but there is two of them, so it's 200. It's enough for me, it's really enough. In this section I have this one controller for the solar panels. My lighting is everywhere LEDs. The table is just under. There's a table. You could put your computer, you could go with your friends, you could drink tea, and then I have a kitchen space. Then for drying, and there's my stove. This is the sink. This is the fridge, and there is a camera for the freezing the stuff.
Freezer?
Yeah, freezer. This is freezer. And then I have all my tools here, and then there is a tank which is under. I fill up with the auto gas. Yeah. I have a back view camera, which one is on the number, on the plate number. This one is my helper, because last year I had on the roof, this one, the storage box, which one was huge, and I couldn't use the solar panels. And there is everything again, pockets, a lot of pockets. This is my garage. Okay, here is my water, which one is just here. This one tank is somewhat 33-35 liters. For me it's enough. I don't know. When we was living together with my girlfriend and with a dog, yeah, it was a little bit tricky, because we was filling out the tank after 2 days or 3 days. And I have another place where I store everything. It's just like secret places. So this place, it's my electricity. Okay, this garage storage is going really easy. The batteries, two separate, 105, so totally it's 210. This section is my closest, just my closest. So for sleeping I have two options. One of them is this one in the first floor. This is my bed, and you have sitting bench seat over here, so you could see everything from the back, all the view. So when I want to go to my big bed, I open this one. Okay, when I going up, I sleeping, but when I need more space, I just doing like this, and I have a lot of space. So then I have all the air coming inside, so it's really good because all the heat collecting here when I open just the roof, and everything goes out, just sucking out. I have heating this one. It's Webasto. I have tried in Lithuania in winter time. Just put it this one like this, and it was perfectly working. This one runs on the diesel. For the toilet, I had made one. It was good, but it just take the place. So I have a shovel with which one I'm going in the bushes, digging and closing. So it's you know, eco-friendly. This is my next room, which one I'm using. Hello everyone, I just started a YouTube channel which one gonna be focused on extreme sports. It's about kite surfing, kiteboarding, snow kiting, and also about chill time. The link is in the description.